Welcome learners to my channel. Myself Parminder Kaur, and in today's video I will discuss with you topic bandwidth. What is bandwidth? Bandwidth is the information carrying capacity of a communication channel. So let's discuss it. That the bandwidth of a communication channel determines its information carrying capacity, means how fast we can transfer our data using communication channel. Bandwidth implies how much data, whether it is text, voice, video, and so on, can be sent through a communication channel in a given amount of time. Yes, if we want to transfer our text, voice, and video, for that we need a good bandwidth. For analog signals, the bandwidth is expressed in hertz and specifies the range of frequencies that the channel is capable of transmitting without interference or signal loss. For transfer of data, it's required that data should be transferred without external interferences or signal loss. For that, we need a good amount of communication channel as well as its bandwidth. I hope that this is clear to you. Next is bandwidth indicates the difference between the lowest and highest frequencies transmitted. For example, for a microwave link, the range of 800 to 900 megahertz has a bandwidth of 100 megahertz. The wider the bandwidth, the faster the data can be transmitted, and the narrower the bandwidth, there is a greater loss of transmission power. It means if we want to transfer our data without interference, without loss, and we want to transfer our information from one channel to another, for that we need a good amount of bandwidth. The narrower the bandwidth, the greater the loss of transmission power, and if we want to overcome it, for that we need repeaters. And what is the purpose of repeaters? Repeaters rebroadcast the original signals. Now, for digital signal, bandwidth is measured in bits per second, that is BPS. And for analog signal, I have discussed with you that for analog signals, it is used megahertz. That is hertz. For analog signal, bandwidth is expressed in hertz, and for digital signal, the bandwidth is measured in bits per second. The type of communication channel determines the channel's bandwidth. Yes, the bandwidth of the channel is also determined by the communication channel. For example, if one uses fiber optic cables, then it is used for high-speed internet access. And if we use copper wire, it has narrower bandwidth. High quality voice, music and video transmissions require high bandwidth of communication channel. So we can say that bandwidth plays a critical role for designing a network. So it is required that if we want to design a network, we need a good amount of bandwidth. So I hope that this is clear to you. Dear learners, if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.